afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 49 says, to promote national consciousness, integrity, and unity, citizens must possess the following attribute, except one. That is, national consciousness simply means it relates okay, let's say this relates to the country's integrity and unity of purpose. Then the following are important except one. Option A, honesty. Honesty has to do with truth or being truth. Hospitality has to do with concern, showing concern. Hostility has to do with enmity or unkindness. Then patriotism means to be a good representation. Then tolerance means to be accommodative. So with this, except hostility. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.